Okay?
Okay.
And then I'll cover your $15.
Okay.
Okay?
What are you heading for?
The top circle, the big one.
Do the top left one, the one next to the big one. Do that one. That one hasn't been hit yet. Again. No, you missing. Take your time aiming.
Any luck?
No, you're not hitting it.
Woo! Sorry, for our matcha. Shit.
Come on, man. Don't be weak. That's nothing. Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, right in the center of it. Do it again. Do that one again. Nope. Damn, what the hell you aiming?
Huh?
What the hell you aiming?
Hey, what?
You only got one shot in there.
For our matcha, yeah.
Do it again. You only got one shot. Okay, too high. Out of the circle. You got out of the circle. Which one? Top big one?
Yeah.
Nothing. Nothing. Nothing at all, bro. Oh, you're hitting low, dude.
Ah, you.
You're hitting low. You're hitting the bottom small circle.
Ah, you, yeah. One more, yeah.
What? Go ahead. Big circle, big top. Nope.
Did I hit it? I don't know. I can't see. I think we did.
You got the bottom small circle.
What?
Okay, you got the top circle. Woo!